Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about the Verilog code of full adder using structural coding and then Verilog code of full adder using half adder. So first we need to draw the circuit diagram of full adder. So this is the circuit diagram of the full adder using two XOR gate first and second, two or AND gate first and second, and one OR gate, that is. In the circuit diagram there is three external input A, B, C in and two external output S and C out, and the internal circuitry of this circuit diagram is inside this dotted block. So all this gate are interconnected through the wire. So the output of the first XOR gate is connected to the input of the second XOR gate through the wire X1. Output of the AND gate connected to the input of OR gate through the wire X2, and third, the output of the AND gate is also connected to the input of OR gate through the wire X3. So we need to give the name of this all the interconnects, and this all the interconnects is represented by the wire X1, X2 and X3. Then write the Boolean expression. The Boolean expression of the sum is S equal to E XOR B XOR C in, and the Boolean expression for the carry is C out AB plus BC in plus AC in. Now comes to the structural coding. So first write the module and name of the module, and write the input and output A comma B comma C in comma S comma C out, and then semicolon. Then differentiate the input and output. So input A B C in semicolon, and the output is S comma C out, then semicolon. Then again write all the interconnection that is represented by the wire. So write the wire X1, X2 and X3, and then semicolon. Then in structural coding, first we check the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram we check how many gates are used. So in this circuit diagram there is two XOR gate, two AND gate and one OR gate. So all the gate we have written in this form. First write the XOR gate and write the any random words like U1, Z1, X1, whatever. Then bracket, write the output and then input. So the first XOR gate output is, in the first XOR gate output is X1 and input is A and B. So in this manner write XOR U1, X1 is the output, A and B is the input, then semicolon. Then write the AND gate, write any random variable U2, then X2 the output of the AND gate, X1 is the input of the AND gate, and C1 is also the input of the AND gate. Comes to the figure. So this AND gate output is X2 and input is X1 and C1. Then again write the next AND gate, random variable U3, X3, A comma B, then semicolon. Then again write the second XOR gate, U4, any random variable. Then output of the second XOR gate is represented by S, and the input is X1 and C1, then semicolon. Then last write the OR U5 output C out comma input X2 comma X3, and then semicolon. Then we need to use AND module. This AND module basically used to ending the module, because all this thing is start with the module, and to finish this thing we are using the AND module. So this is the simple structural modeling of full adder. In the structural modeling we just write the whatever gate have been used in the circuit diagram. So in this particular full adder there is two XOR gate, two AND gate and one OR gate, and write in the output and input manner. So this is the structural coding of the full adder. Now comes to write a Verilog code of full adder using half adder. So in this we need to write a code of full adder using half adder. So first we must draw the circuit diagram of the full adder using two half adder. So this is the circuit diagram of the full adder using two half adder. So there is first half adder, and this one is the second half adder, and one OR gate. So again The external input is A, B and C in, and external output is C out and S. And all this internal circuitry is inside this block. So there is also interconnection, and this interconnection is represented by a wire. So X1, X2 and X3 are the wire of this interconnection. Now comes to the code. So again write the module and name of the module. Name of the module is full underscore adder. Then write the different ports, means input and output ports, A, B, C in, S and C out. Then differentiate input A, B, C in and output S and C out. Then again write the wire name. Wire name is X1, X2 and X3. This is basically represent the interconnections whatever inside the circuit diagram of the full adder using half adder. Now writing the Verilog code of full adder using half adder, first we must have a Verilog code of half adder, and this module name will be same as the previous one whatever we have a Verilog code of half adder. So this is the module name, half underscore adder. So first we make or write a code of half adder and make a .v file, and that .v file we call in this code. So first write the half underscore adder, this is the module name. Then write any random variable u1, h1, whatever. Then write inputs and output. So dot in this particular code we use the dot format because we don't know what the sequence we have followed in the half adder coding and what sequence we are following in the full adder coding. So we don't know that things. So for simplicity we use dot format. So u1 dot a bracket a dot b bracket b dot sum bracket x2. So here this sum basically represent the output of the half adder. So this sum is basically represent here, this is the sum, this is the output of this half adder, and this x2 is represent the means interconnection. So in this so this thing we can write in this form: sum, this is the output of the half adder, and x2, this is the interconnection of the two half adder. Then carry, this carry basically represent this here this carry basically represent here, and the wire is x2. So this, in this we can write in this form: dot carry bracket x1 bracket close and then semicolon. Then call the second half adder, because in this full adder so we need to use two half adder. So second half adder, half underscore adder, u2 is the random variable. Then again a2 dot a means this is the input of the half adder, and this input is connected to the wire x2. So comes to the figure, this is the second half adder, the input of this half adder is inside, this is a, and this is second input is b. So this input of the half adder is connected to the wire x2. So this is represented by dot a x2. Similarly, second input of the half adder dot b is connected to the c in. So second input, this is the second input of the half adder is b, this is connected to the c in. So this we can written in this form: dot b c in. Similarly, the output dot sum is connected to the s, this is the output point, and this output point is connected to the s. So this thing we can write in this way. And fourth, dot carry. So the carry point, this point is connected to the x3. So we can write dot carry bracket x3, then bracket close, then semicolon. Then last one is the OR gate. Write any random variable u3, and the output of the OR gate is C out, and input of the OR gate is x1 and x3. So output is C out, x1 and x3. And after that, end this module, because this whole thing is written under the module. We need to end this module using the keyword end module. So this is the simple code of the full adder using half adder. So in this particular code we call the half adder and we write the code of full adder using half adder. And the test bench of the full adder is very similar to the test bench of the half adder. So you can just write the 3 input in place of 2 input in a half adder. So in full adder there is 3 input A, B, C in, and output is same, sum and carry. So you try to write the test bench. Okay, thank you.